Alright, so when I started to think about how I was going to imitate this sentence, the first thing I noticed is that they didn't come out and say that they were talking about shoes. But I knew that it gave me the clue because we're talking about it being taped up and then the feet look smaller. So we knew we were talking about shoes. So I don't want to give away what I'm going to talk about in this sentence, but I'm also going to give clues to help you figure it out. Okay? So this is my imitation sentence. And I'm going to use the same structure as the author and just plug in a few different words. So one of them is open wide. And let's see, one of them is opened wide, and I'm going to say its, I can't say feet, and its petals look, let's say, pinker. I don't know if that's even a word, but I'm making it a word. Okay, so one of them is opened wide, and its petals look pinker than the others. Okay, so one of them is opened wide, and its petals look pinker than the others. So if you guessed about it, yes, I am talking about a flower. Alright, so use the same structure the author wrote. Try not to tell me what you're writing about and let me guess, okay?